A common aspect of both sports and life in organizations is competition. But while competition can encourage individuals and groups to perform at their highest levels, it can also spur unethical behavior as certain people try to gain an edge over others. So, as some people break rules, the question remains, does rule breaking actually benefit cheaters? And do all types of cheaters benefit equally? By studying data from professional judo and soccer competitions, researchers found that higher-ranked competitors actually experienced a more negative relationship between rule violations and performance than their lower-ranked opponents. In professional judo, players are ranked internationally in terms of accumulated points from all their competitions. But surprisingly, when these higher-ranked players violated the rules, they performed more poorly than lower-ranked players who violated rules. In professional soccer, researchers found similar results. As higher-ranked teams violated rules or broke fair play guidelines, they tended to score less goals than lower-ranked teams who also violated rules. The reason for these findings is that higher-ranked players were found to be worse at violating rules that would actually benefit them. But they also underestimated the downside risks of breaking rules to begin with. These actions led them to commit more serious and risky violations that ultimately hurt their performance. Wonder about the complexities of unethical behavior in competitive contexts? If so, you may want to read this paper.